Hi guys. Okay, so welcome back to the laboratory exercise session. So today we are doing something about we are doing the laboratory exercise about files, directories, and the permissions. Okay, these are all the topics that I discussed in my previous lecture videos, right? So okay, what we try to do is we thoroughly go through the questions and then try to solve the problems. And before going and starting to see out the problems, I will just try to show you try this out, say so, like something. Okay, so try this out concepts. So for today, the try this out concept is like, do you like me? So if you like me, breathe for yes and lick your elbow for no. So just try this out. Okay, after this try this out session, now let's go and check out what are our learning goals for today. Okay, for this lecture for today, this laboratory activity is meant to practice with the most common commands, okay, for interacting with the file system. And these commands are, which I have already discussed before in my lectures, are ls, cd, mv, cp, rm, chmod, ls, mkdir, wc, and other commands that I will introduce will be gcc and mn that I have already discussed before in the theoretical concepts, right? Okay, now let's begin without losing any kind of time. Okay, let's clear this. And and let's read the question. You have to create the following directory tree in your home directory, and for details about how to okay, man directory. So man, okay, you say that makes the directory and it has some kind of option and it makes the directory increasing order, like how much directory the options are here. Okay, you can check it out here. So we have to make some certain directory tree in this order, okay? And the remarks are that you have to work always in the local disk. Okay, do not use the flash drive or similar storage devices. And secondly, we have to use the tab keys to exploit the auto completion feature of the shell. Okay, now let's begin. And for me, like here I am trying to just create this kind of, like solve this problem in a, not in a home directory but in a lab 1 directory, because this is the solution of laboratory 1, right? So, and you guys can try it in making your home directory, okay, looking at my solution. File exists. Okay, so that means I have to first remove. Okay, it doesn't exist. Now make directory with this keyword. Okay, let's check out. You make a new directory, the empty directory. Now make 3 directories inside. Go to the go inside the directory and make 3 directories: source, bin, test. You can check out. You make 3 kind of directories. Now go to source and make 2 directories. Directory and library. Check it out and go to test. Okay, you cannot go to test there. Directly from the source. Okay, and make directory script and result So yeah, okay, everything is okay, right? So the directory, yeah, we are in the parent directory, that is solution example, right? So this is the tree, the way how you create the tree of directories. Now okay, move inside the source directory and perform the following action. So let's move to the source directory. Okay, you don't need to use that, we directly, because it's in the same subfolder, okay, within inside the same parent directory. So we are inside the source directory. Now create a simple C program, main.c, able to get the number of words of the text file. Text file has to be passed as a parameter in a command line and copy it in a source directory. So let's use the gedit editor inside the source directory. Okay, so this is the situation. Right, so we have to create it. Actually what I have done is I have already make the C program here. So yeah, and this is the C program, okay, and the C program says that create a C program is able to get the number of words of a text file, right? So this is our program. Now this should try to get the number of words of a text file that is passed as a parameter. So you open the file, your text file is passed as a parameter here, right? And this is the read text. RT stands for reading the read text. Whereas okay, the C program is something like this. You get, while getting the string, the text from the input stream, and if it is not equal to none, then you go inside the loop. You just look this strtoc function. What it does is breaks the token, slice the tokens, slice the string into tokens. Okay, the tokens are the token variable is defined here as of size 2. Then while the token is not equals to null, then you string compare the token, this particular token which is divided into s, add a size 2. Then if they are not equals to 0, then you just count the word. That means the word is there. So the word count is there, right? Then similarly you print out, and all the string, then you just print out the word count, how many words is there, you just count the word, right? So this is the normal C program that I have written. Now let's save it. Okay, let's go to the terminal. Now what is the question is that copy the main C file you have just created into a test script and result directories staying in the current source directory. Once done, verify the existence of the file using the less command. Okay, man less for details about the less command, and then delete them without moving from the current directory. Then move to the parent directory and we do the same action. Okay, so okay, first let's do step by step. Copy the main C file you have just created to test script and result directories. We are in the source directory, so copy. Okay, let's check. Yeah, we have main.c file there, right? So copy main.c file to test and verify it by using less. So okay, it's verified that it exists. And for man less, you can check out, yeah, it opposite of more. What it does, it just displays Okay, it's a program similar to more, but it has many more features doing it is the entire input file, okay, and just displays it. This is the use of this command, and you can check out more features for here. Okay, now let's copy main.c to script, and let's verify it. Okay, yeah, it's verified that it exists. Now again let's copy to test result, right? So we also let's try and verify it. Test result main.c. Okay, yeah, it's verified, so it's all copied to the following respective locations. Now what we do, we have to remove it, right? So here it is question. Yeah, the question was existence. Yeah, we verified the existence, then delete them without moving from the current directory. So we are still in the same current directory. Then let's move, like delete it. So delete is remove. Let's verify it. Yeah, it's moving. No source file or direct. That means it's removed. So still, let's remove bit by bit, one by one. Tests that script. Let's verify it. Yeah, it's removed. So yeah, main.c. Now let's verify it. Yeah, it's removed, so everything is done. Now what we have to do is and redo the same action. So I suggest you guys to just redo this same instructions by moving yourself to the this main parent directory, that is so_es1. okay, now yeah, when you use the copy command for copying the file, what's the difference between with the move? Okay, the move command, then we'll check it out about later. Okay, in the copy command, we copied the main.c file from source to these folders, and still you can check out the main.c is still here. Okay, I will show you that in move, while if you use the move command, this move command, what it will do is it will completely move the following file to the destination file. You can also check out man move here for more information, right? Okay, now what we have to do is compile the main.c file using the following command. Let's compile it. Let's be in the source file and let's compile it. Using the following command line, we compile it. Let's check it. Yeah, we generated the executable file. Now what is the purpose of the while? The purpose of the while is if while compiling there are some kind of error, then it handles the error exception. So if there are some kind of particular error, so these errors will be displayed with the cause of the error. Okay, so this is the purpose of having while, is having the option of compiler error exception handling options. So like correct any compilation error and verify the existence of my WC. So yeah, we just verified and just checked it out. Now verify also the file execute the permission is set for the owner of the file. If the executable permission is not set, use the proper command to make it executable. Okay, you have to can check by man check mode for changing the file permission. And once move, don't move the binary file to the bin directory. Okay, let's verify that. Let's change mode. Okay, man change mode is changing file mode bits. Okay, so this is just about changing my file mode bits. You can get more information from here. Okay, now let's check if the execution, like the permission is okay for our file to execute or yeah, for this is our executed file, and it's a normal file, and yeah, we have all the permission for the users, that is read, write and execute. Okay, all the permission is denoted here, so there is no need to do any kind of changing of file permission. It's already set here. Okay, so let's move the executed file to the bin directory. Okay, right now we use the command move, and we will show you that it will completely move my WC like file to the destination file. Destination file is bin directory. So source is where bin. So we do not need to go to the this change. Yeah, it's already so we generate a new bin for the move my WC to bin. Yeah, already. Okay, let's verify that to bin, and let's see that we moved there or not. Okay, it's not moved, so again let's change back to source. Okay, so the problem is like we have to let's compile it again. Okay, we generated that. Now let's move it. Okay, there is some kind of error while I'm trying to move. Okay, so I got the error. The error was I just move it in the same source, same working directory. So this is the problem. So now this was my mistake. I just missed one dot here. Okay, now let's do it again. Let's remove this bin. Let's compile it again. Okay, now let's move it. Yeah, right now it's okay. So change the directory to bin. Yeah, okay, we got the executable file. So this part is done. Now let's move to the third question. Like it says that move inside the test directory and perform the following actions. So let's move inside the test directory. Inside the test directory we have something like this. We have to download the test the 01 the text file and save it inside the test directory and then edit it adding the student's detail. So something like this. So let's go back and check out for this test 01 file because I have downloaded it somewhere here in the folder. Yeah, test01.txt, you can see here, you can check out here that I have downloaded here in lab 1. So what we do is copy test01.txt to solution ex1, change directory 1 ls. Okay, so this is copied to this solution ex1 folder. Now we have to copy it to the test folder. So copy test, or you can just move or copy. Just copy it. 01.txt to test folder. Change directory to test folder. And this, yeah, we copied it to this test folder. Now, okay, what we have to do is we have to execute the mywc executable file is generated through the GCC in step 2.4. Passing it the test1 file, you can just download it, right? The command for running the mywc executable is follow. So we have to use this command and try to run it, execute it. So staying in the same test folder, bin mywc test01.txt. Yeah, okay, we got the answer, that is 381. The word count is 381, right? And these are all the text that the text file consists of. And the words were, all the words, okay, were 381 words were there, right? So now what we have to do is the output should be the number of words of the text file. Why do you need to specify the full path name? We have to specify the full path name because actually this bin folder is existing somewhere in the test, like it's in the another folder, right? So you can see this bin folder, we are right now here in the test folder. Okay, so if you want to execute anything which is inside the bin folder, then you have to first go to the parent directory, then access the bin folder, then access whatever is inside the bin folder, that is the mywc executable file, right? So we have to go. So this is the procedure. The procedure is just accessing this by calling the bin folder, that is this is going to the root parent folder. So that's why we have to give the full path name. Okay, now let's execute by using wc test01.txt. Yeah, the answer is 379 here, and there is a difference in just two numbers, that is 79, 80, 81, just two numbers. These two numbers are just because, okay, I will show you. Yeah, if you go and see here, our tokens, the maximum size for the constant tokens are 2. The size of the array is 2. So this 2 that's the reason. And because we missed two number of words, right? Because we there was some kind of compilation error, because the text file, it just missed two words to count because of this like two buffer. It's not some kind of precisely, it is not okay, but overall it gives some kind of approximate answer is given here, right? So just we missed two words here, but overall the outcome was nearly equal. And lastly, compare the output of this command with the output you obtained in the step 3.2. How did you get the number of words using the basic command? Yeah, okay. So the main idea to show you was either you can also write a C programming code and compile and run it and try to test the particular function, or you have the already provided Linux commands, okay, from which we can you can check it in a more accurate way, right? With programming you can have some kind of errors, but using the Linux commands it is more accurate with performing the task. Okay, thank you for listening, and hope to see you in the new lecture.